Today we're going to be using N8N with Sora 2 to generate these viral chiropractor granny shorts that are pulling millions of views and are making people thousands of dollars every single day. And let me just play one for you real quick. So as we see, this dude's holding the granny and then he chucks the granny straight into the wall. And these shorts are pulling millions of views, guys. And today I'm going to show you how we can fully automate this whole entire process by utilizing N8N and Sora. And now let's get started. So to start off, this is our whole entire N8N workflow. It's pretty simple. So right here, I have it set for every 12 hours. This workflow automatically runs. And then it goes into this AI agent that has a prompt for the video that we're going to create. So it generates a random video based on the prompts that we give it. Right down here, as we see, is a detailed AI video focused on a granny chiropractor. And after it uses that prompt, it thinks about it. And then it generates the prompt using ChatGPT. And after that, it uses Sora 2's API to generate the actual video. And it takes around 420 seconds. But since this is all automatic and runs every 12 hours, it won't really affect us at all. And after it makes the video, gets the video, and then it imports the video and uploads it into this Google Drive right here. And the video is going to look something like this. So as we see, there is no Sora watermark, which is perfect. Like, you can't even tell this is AI really. But this guy's gonna grab the old lady and then chuck her straight into the wall just like that. And the audio is fully working as well. So guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can set this all up and how to use it yourself. And to start off, if you want to skip this whole entire process of building it out, you can press the first link in the description and join my group for $1, where you can get access to this workflow plus all the other workflows I have in here. They can just copy and paste and skip all the hard work. And after you do that, guys, your workflow should look just like this. And as you see right here, none of the APIs are connected, so this isn't gonna work. So I'm gonna walk you through how to set this all up right now. So to get started, the first API we actually need is the Sora 2 API. And to find this API, you're gonna want to go to kie.ai. Once you're inside of kie.ai, you can create a free account, and then head over to the API key section right here, and then press create API key. And after you create your API key, just like so, just press create right here. And you're gonna want to copy the secret key right here. And guys, do not share this key with anyone, because if they get a hold of it, they'll be able to spend all of your credits, which would not be good at all. But after you do that, head over here and click on this one right here. And once you click on there, you're gonna want to click on authentication right here and click on generic credential type right here, and then select the header auth right here. And after you select the header auth, you're gonna want to create new credentials right here, just like so. And you're gonna have to name this authorization spelled just like this. And for the value, you're gonna want to type capital B lowercase EARER, and then press the space button, and then paste in your API key just like so, and then press save right here. And after you do that, your API should be connected. And guys, by the way, every single time we actually render a video, it's gonna spend around 60 credits. We could just go to the billing section and buy $5 worth of credits, which will give you 1,000 credits, which is great. But after you do that, you're gonna want to head over to the get video as well, just right here. And then for the authentication, do the same thing. So generic credential type, select the header auth right here, and then make sure your account's selected. And we're almost done setting this all up. And now we're gonna set up the OpenAI chat model. So to do so, go to platform.openai.com/settings/organization/billing. Once you get to the billing page, press add to credit balance right here. And then I'd say add around $5 or so, because every time we actually use this, it's gonna spend around 1 cent, which is super duper cheap. So add to the credit balance to actually make it work. And after you do that, click on the API keys right here and press create new secret key in the top right. Then name this key whatever you want. Then select the project and press create secret key. And then copy the key just like so, and double click on this OpenAI chat model, and then paste in the API key and press save. And finally, guys, we're on the final step right now, and that is to set up the Google Drive. And to do this is actually pretty simple. Go to console.cloud.google.com. And after you go to that website, go to the top left and then click on this button right here. It should be your project name, and then press create new project right up here. And you can name this project whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Sora video, and then press create right here. And after you press create, you're going to want to press these 3 lines at the top left. You're going to want to go up to the top and search for branding. You're going to want to click on your project right here and make sure you have the correct one selected. And then you're going to want to go up to the middle and search for branding. And then press branding and press get started right down here. Now for the app name, you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Sora vid. And then for the support email, you're going to want to select your email just like so, then press next. And then for the audience, press external, then next. And then type the same email for the contact info. And then finally agree and press continue right here, and then press create. And after you create it, you're going to want to press create OAuth client in the top right. And after you press that, press application type, then web application. And you can name this whatever you want. And then down here, press add URL under authorized redirect URLs. And then you're going to want to type https://oauth.n8n.cloud/oauth2/callback. And then press create right down here. And after you press create, copy this client ID right there. And then head back to N8N and double click on the upload file right here on the Google Drive. And then head back to N8N and press the Google Drive button right here. Once you do that, press create new credentials right up here. And then you're going to want to paste the client ID right there. And then for the secret key, I'm going to show you how to get that as well. So go up here to the left side and press branding. And after you do that, scroll down and then press add domain right here. And then just type n8n.cloud and then press save. And then head over to audience right here on the left side as well. And then press add test users. And then you're going to want to add the email that you're actually going to use the Google Drive for. So I'm just going to type my email, then press save. And after you do that, go over here to the client section and then click on the pencil right here. And after you press the pencil, go down here where it says client secret and then copy the client secret key and head back to N8N and paste it in right here and then press save. And then paste in the client secret key right here. And finally, guys, press sign in with Google and then select your account and then press continue and then press select all and press continue once again. And then after you do that, we're on one of the final steps. So you're going to want to go down here where it says parent folder, and then you're going to want to select the folder that you actually want to upload these all to. So I just made a folder called Auto Shorts in my Google Drive. So select that right there. And after you do that, make sure to press save. And for the final step, you're going to want to go up here in the top right and press activate the workflow. Now every 12 hours, this workflow is going to activate and it's going to generate viral granny chiropractor videos, and it's going to upload them all into the Google Drive that you could just download and then upload to your YouTube channel. That'll pull millions of views. And once again, guys, if you want to skip all this whole entire process, make sure to press the first link in the description down below. You'll get access to this workflow plus some other workflows for just $1. And if you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know down below what video you want to see me make next. And make sure to hype this video as well if there's a hype feature. And don't forget to press this video on the screen. I'll see y'all later. Peace out.